Hello, Lake Elsinore preschool parents. This is the Children and Family Services Department with a video tutorial to help you navigate to our online enrichment courses. When you are on the Lake Elsinore Unified School District webpage, we ask that you click away from the first window that pops up, go to Schools, select Child Development Preschool, and then select either Preschool Online Enrichment courses from the top or the right of the page. Inside the Preschool Online Enrichment courses, you can navigate to receive information on instructions, how to access the online enrichment courses, a daily schedule, ideas on what to do with your children, and in here you will also find activities to do with them, information on the free meals provided by LUSD to children under the age of 18, how to practice social distancing properly, and access to many links and apps for preschool-aged children. The instructions provided will show you how to download the Learning Genie app if you haven't done so yet, as well as instructions on how to record activities on the Learning Genie app. So we are asking parents to select activities from the 5 developmental goals that you're going to find on this page, and then follow the steps provided on the In-Kind Parent Guide. The In-Kind Parent Guide, when you click on this, it's going to show you step by step how to record activities on your Learning Genie app. So for example, let's say that this is your app on your phone. You're going to look on the very top corner to the left, 3 lines. They're usually referred to as the hamburger lines. And once you click on that, you will see the in-kind report. Just click there and then select the plus sign to add an activity. There's going to be a drop-down arrow. Choose the area of the activity that you want to work in, and different samples of activities are going to pop up. Select the one that you are going to work with your child and or complete it. Once you finish, then you select the length of time. You may select predetermined minutes, or you can click other and add the exact amount of minutes that you work with your child. Once you finish, you can add a comment. For example, let the teacher know what your child said during the activity, etc. Sign it and submit. It is very simple to use. By recording these activities, your teachers will be able to see how much your child has grown and learned during this time away from school. You will also find a suggested daily schedule, ideas on what to do with your children while at home. In red font, you will see activities that you can choose from, and these are the activities that are going to align with the ones available in Learning Genie. Information on the free meals provided by Lake Elsinore Unified School District to all children under the age of 18. Schools and links to the school addresses are provided as well. How to practice social distancing, and preschool educational links and apps. Under the preschool educational links and apps, we separated it in categories: educational games and videos, learning ideas for children, social emotional, reading books and stories, and parenting tips and additional information that we found will be beneficial for you during this time. Going back to the instructions page, what to do with your children. Remember, these are the 5 developmental goals that you are going to be working with your child during this time. You may click on any of them, or you can click on 5 developmental goals to the right of the page. Either way, it's going to show you activities inside each one of the developmental goals that you can choose from to work with your children. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our department and our phone number is on our main page. Click on Early Childhood Education. Our phone numbers are listed on this page. Our hours are different. During this time of closure, we will only be available between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. We hope that our Preschool Online Enrichment Courses page helps you entertain and connect with your children during this school closure time. We miss you at our schools and hope to see you soon safe.